Hello guys, so for today's video I'm doing a holiday makeup look. As you saw, it's more of a festive makeup than a simple or elegant makeup, but I thought that it would be interesting to try making something green since Christmas is red and green. So yeah, let's start. I usually don't use makeup base, so I used concealer and a little bit of makeup powder, but for today's video I thought that since it's a heavy makeup it would be necessary to do my face. For the blush, I used an eyeshadow. I just have one single blush, so that's why I used this eyeshadow as a blush. Then I'm going in with the green eyeshadow, blending it out. And then with a darker shadow, I'm going to do my crease and I'm going to blend it out really good with this big brush so that it's not as heavy. Now I'm going in with the concealer and I'm going to put it on the eye corner to make it a sharp line, so later it helps with the eyeliner. I'm going in with the gold eyeshadow and I'm putting it on the inner corner and I'm patting it on and then I will blend it out. Obviously you just want to blend the part that is on the center. You don't want to blend what you just did with the concealer there. now I'm going on with the eyeliner, and I ended up with like a long line, but you can just do a smaller one. Moving on with the lipstick, I chose a red colored lipstick because I thought that it would make a more Christmassy look, but you're fine using just a nude or pinky lipstick. Yeah, so here's the finished look. How do you like it, guys? I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a like if you liked the video, and if you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe to my channel. And yeah, guys, see you next time. Bye bye.